Muhammad Sharif. I am an Indian from Sharjah. We have 5 people who stay together in a room. One of my roommates has been tested positive for COVID-19. He has changed his room already, hence we 4 are living in quarantine. Is it compulsory for us to fast in such a scenario? If you are in quarantine because somebody else had COVID-19, quarantine means you seclude yourself so that you don't infect others. That doesn't mean that you are sick. It's as a precaution. So if you are in quarantine, fasting is yet fard for you. Even if you are sick, because people who are COVID positive also, many of them are symptomless. And 85% have mild symptoms. And this will not prevent you from fasting. So if you are sick and that sickness doesn't prevent you from fasting or does not obstruct you from keeping the fast, then you should fast. If you are sick and that sickness prevents you from fasting or you have difficulty in fasting, then as Quran says in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse 184, that those who are sick, they can fast later on after Ramadan, they can compensate for it. But in this case, you are not sick, you are only in quarantine, fasting is a fard for you. If you happen to get sick and if that sickness prevents you from fasting or makes it difficult for you to fast, in this condition, yes, you can fast later on, you can compensate for the fard fast of Ramadan later on.